In this section, we're going to use function notation and evaluate functions at certain particular points. Let's look at our helpful hint. Replace x with the number indicated. It is a good idea to place parentheses around the value to avoid any sign errors. Then use the order of operations to evaluate the function in each case. Here we have a functional expression f of x equals minus x squared minus 2x minus 3. For our first problem, we need to evaluate f of 0. What is the function value if x has the value 0? So we're going to replace x by 0 in each part of the expression. Minus x squared is minus 0 squared. Minus 2 times x is minus 2 times 0, and then minus 3. Now we know that 0 squared is 0. Minus 0 is the same as plus 0. We know that negative 2 times 0 is also 0. And so all we have to do is add 0 plus minus 3, and that would give us negative 3. For our second function notation, we want to find f of minus 2. This means to find out what is this function value if x is minus 2. Let's see how it works. Minus x squared would be minus 2 squared. Minus 2 times x would be minus 2 times minus 2, and we have the quantity minus 3. Now we have to be very careful. Minus 2 squared is plus 4, but there's a minus sign in front of us, so this is going to give it negative 4. Over here the sign is critical. Negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4, and now we have to add negative 4 and plus 4 is 0. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So we've discovered something interesting. The function value of minus 2 is negative 3, as well as the function value of 0 is minus 3. We have to be very careful when you're evaluating functions. When you replace x by a number, put a parenthesis around it, and be very careful with your signed operations. It's easy to make a sign error.